Hello everyone! In this video, we will demonstrate how students can join your class. This can be achieved in a few different ways. Once you've created a session, students can join the class either directly via a link you share or by entering a PIN code on the home page. Let's begin with sharing the session link. Copy the link and send it to your students. Students will be directed to the page where they will be asked to enter their names. If you have enabled the waiting room lobby, as we have done in this video, they will stay in the waiting room instead of directly joining the class until you accept the invitation. You will see a notification at the top of the right menu. You can then choose to accept or remove students. Here, you can see the student boards. Students can also join the session using a PIN code. To do this, students should go to the Whiteboard.fi website, click Join Session, enter the PIN code, and click Join Session again. If students didn't scan the QR code or forgot the PIN, you can always open the session settings and display the QR code again. This will allow students to join by scanning the QR code with their devices. After scanning the QR code, students will be redirected to the website where they can join the session. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment below or contact our support team. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next videos.